Hello, welcome to Empress Recipe. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the health benefits you get when you take these plants. Now, this beautiful greenish plant over here is known as basil leaf in English. In Yoruba, they call it efinrin, or you can call it scent leaf. This is one powerful ancient leaves that helps to treat all kinds of ailments. So one of the ailments that you can use this scent leaf to treat is dysentery. Yes, if you are the type that have dysentery, diarrhea, all you have to do is get this leaf fresh. You can eat it fresh this way, or you take some quantity, then squeeze it into the hands, mix it with bitter leaf, you chew it and drink water. This will help to relieve every form of dysentery and diarrhea. It helps with kidney issues. So if you are the type that you don't have money for detox tea and the rest, one of the best way you can also detox your kidney and liver is by getting scent leaf. And the preparation is getting it, washing it, putting it into a blender, add a cup of water, blend it, extract the juice this way. This is the juice here, and you will drink it. You will drink this twice daily. It will help to flush out toxins from your kidney. It helps with sugar issues. So if you're the type that you're addicted to taking sugary things, and it has given you your sugar level is high, like you're having diabetes, please, all you have to do is get this, boil it. Yes, you'll be boiling it, and you'll be taking this first thing in the morning and the last thing before going to bed. Also, for my women that have painful menstrual cramps, that have PCOS, that are struggling with insulin resistance, that they have all sorts of infection, all you have to do is get scent leaf, boil it and drink it. Yes, that is what you'll be doing. For those of you that have infection, you can boil it, cook it well. After some few minutes, pour it in your bucket, sit over it for some good minutes, like 30 minutes. Yes, you cover yourself the way we do it with malaria. So this time around, you'll be sitting on the bucket and you'll be covering your lap with wrapper so that vapor won't escape. It will go into your body, and this will help to eradicate every form of infection. In my place, once a woman gives birth, one of the ways that they wash the woman's womb to clear out that womb is by giving them scent leaf. They'll grind it and prepare it in form of egusi, and the woman will take it. So you can see that scent leaf has a lot of benefits. It is rich in zinc, which helps with infection. So we are in the season where we have surplus scent leaves. All you have to do is get these scent leaves in abundance and start making use of it. Note that scent leaf can be used fresh, dried, or in powder form. Yes, these are the ways that we can use scent leaf. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you learned something new. To get our scent leaf powder and dry scent leaf, all you have to do is contact me through my WhatsApp number, or you click on our website link at www.empressrecipes.com. Remember, health is wealth. Stay healthy with Empress Recipes.